some big things going on in the kitchen today. Today we are making braised short ribs in my Ninja Foodi Grill. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, you know the deal, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you get alerts on all what we're doing here. Alright, so what are we doing here? Guys, if you've watched my channel for a little while, you know I love me some short ribs, some smoked short ribs, some braised short ribs, short rib tacos. I feel like I'm going into that guy before he's gone. Shrimp this, shrimp that. No, I just love me some short ribs. So I figured, you know what? We got to do it in the Ninja Foodi Grill. You know, we can do the baking in there, we can do the grilling, we do everything in there. We're going to do the braised short ribs. All right, it's going to be easy as pie. You're going to love it for sure. Trust me. So you know I get excited about food sometimes, and this is no different of a day. We're excited. We're making good things. I've been cooking all day. I've been in the lab all day. Everything smells wonderful in here. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use simple ingredients in this. So first things first, I took the short ribs out of the packaging, put it in a gallon baggie like I normally do, and put some of the Victory Lane beef rub in there, just to add that sort of flavor, start tenderizing a little bit, sweat it out a little bit. Gotta do it. All right, so don't forget that step. An hour, 2 hours overnight. Just get some rub on there, and you'll be happy with the outcome. Has all the flavors you need. I'll put a link down below for Victory Lane. Again, not affiliated, just, you know, I like the products, so that's what we're using. So again, anything I mention, anything I show in here, links down below. Check it out, okay? What else? All right, so we're gonna use a simple mirepoix. All right, so carrots, onions, celery, and then we have some thyme and some rosemary. I'll have the ingredients down below for you. Just hit show more, and we'll do the prep down below too. But obviously you're watching this video, so you got the prep down. That's it, guys. We'll do some chopping over here. I'll bring you over to the Ninja Foodi Grill station, which is my kitchen island. We'll do some chopping. Guys, stick with me on this one. You're not gonna want to miss it. It is delicious time. Trust me. I don't know if that's a thing, but you know, hey, go with it. All right. So let's come over here and let's get working, huh? Come on back. Alright guys, we're over here on the Ninja Foodi Grill station. We're going to get this thing set up. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to do grill high. Alright, so that's 500 degrees. I know people keep asking me what temperature I'm cooking at. When I say grill mode and it's high, it's 500. Max is 510. I mean, you guys just got to use the mode. That's all it is. Alright, so what we're going to do is mock sear these short ribs. We're going to make them kind of grilled. And then once these all get grilled through, they're not going to be completely finished. They're obviously not going to be cooked through. We're going to remove the grill rack. So let's hit start. Remove that grill rack. Put our veggies in and our herbs and the beef stock, and we're going to braise these bad boys. We'll do it using that bake function, and we're going to do it at 325 degrees. All right. So once it's preheated, we'll get these seared off. We're ready to add the food. As it says, so we're going to get these searing up. We got sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle. Some of these, it's easy to put the bone side up. Some are kind of flat. So we'll get one side seared. Oh. We're gonna let these go. 2 minutes of searing on this side. We'll flip them around, sear again, and then we'll pull the grill grate out of it, and then we'll start braising these bad boys. Okay, we got a couple minutes in. More like 3. All right, got the sear. Gonna flip them over. It's looking pretty good. That's the thing of beauty right there. So basically, we did 3 minutes aside, not 2 minutes aside, but it is what it is. All right, so we're gonna pull these out onto a plate. It smells so good just with that Victory Lane barbecue rub on there. Oh, Nelly. We're gonna take our protective finger deals here. Oops. Gently, carefully put this in the sink. That is hot. Make sure you have some silicone finger protectors. Link down below if you want to get some. All right, so what we're gonna do now is get our veggies and our herbs in there. Let the grill go for another 3 minutes. And just kind of get these sauteed down and broken down a little bit. And then we'll add the beef back in with the beef stock. We'll be good to go. Okay, we're done with those 3 minutes. It's got a little bit of color in here, a little bit of heat, no big deal. We didn't need to add oil because of the fat from the short ribs was rendered down in there. So we add all these back in. I'm gonna turn this off and we'll turn it back on when we need to. So what we're gonna do is add our beef stock. We're gonna probably add this whole carton. Close it down, oops, hit on. We're gonna bake. I'm gonna go 325. I'm gonna put 2 hours in here, but we're gonna pay attention to it after the first hour. We're gonna check the temperatures on the short ribs. We want it to be at a good 200 degrees. So we'll cook until we get there. At 2 hours, we hit start. It's gonna preheat. Just let it preheat. It'll only take a couple minutes, and then it'll start the countdown. All right, we're about an hour in, guys. Let's check it out. It's looking pretty good. Nice little braise. You can start seeing it's get nice and soft in there. The bones are pulling away. I'm gonna check the temp. I'm gonna check the temp on these with my Thermo Pro. I have a feeling they're up to temp, because we're looking for about 200. But they still don't feel really probe tender yet, and I want to be able to, really shred this. Yeah, see, you can see it's sticking. So we're gonna let this go. This one feels a little tender. The smaller short ribs are gonna feel a little bit more tender, but we're gonna let it go at least another half hour and check it out. Okay, so these may go above 200, but we want to make sure we get nice and tender. Okay, so now we're another half hour in. Got my handy dandy thermometer here. It's probing a little more tender. 85, 90. It's still sticking a little bit though. I think we're gonna go the full 2 hours on this. I think you can see, we're looking good, but it's just not, that one there's tender right there. Good lordy, that's going right through. 190, 95, okay. Get this one over here. All right, cool. So we got a little bit of time. I'm gonna move these around, flip them over. The bones have pulled off a lot of these, so we're getting pretty dang close. I think the next half hour or so, we'll get to where we need to be, and we'll start enjoying these bad boys. Guys, trust me when I tell you, it smells so frippin' good in here. I don't know if frippin's a word, but it smells good in here. So, all right, let's get that last half hour in, and we'll come and talk about it. Guys, these are done. 2 hours of braising. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out here. Get a picture for the, look at the ball, all the bones have fallen off. Get a picture for the thumbnail, and then we'll do a little taste test. All right, guys, thumbnail's taken. Now we're gonna chop into this bad boy. See that? Juicy. See the fats rendered down a little bit. Ah, tender as can be. Beautiful. You're gonna make some awesome tacos, guys. All right, come on back and we'll talk about it. Did I tell you, or did I tell you? That color, that flavor, oh, you can't taste the flavor, but you will when you make this. Oh man, tender, juicy, moist, flavorful. Oh, so good. Guys, give this one a shot. And when you try it, you comment down below and tell me how much you loved it. Thank me for putting this into your life, because you're gonna love it. Trust me on that one, okay? I wouldn't steer you wrong. I didn't steer my friend wrong over here. He's enjoying it. All right. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grills, hit the link down below to my Amazon store. Doesn't cost you anything more, but it helps out the channel, and you know I love it. Appreciate you for doing it. Also, if you want to get Cooking with CJ merch and rep hard for us, the hat you gotta email me on. My email's down below. I don't have a store for it yet. I just had these made. Shirts, stickers, coffee cup. Go to my Teespring store down below. And then guys, don't forget to hit that like button. All right, share this on your social media. Let's grow this. Let's make this happen, guys. And I need your help. All right. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.